कंट्रोल यूनिट पे डिस्कस करेंगे। कंट्रोल यूनिट ऑफ अ डिजिटल कंप्यूटर इज आल्सो कॉल्ड नर्व सिस्टम। मेमोरी बस इज मेनली यूज्ड फॉर कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन प्रोसेसर मेमोरी एंड पार्ट लोकेटेड इन the center processing unit that store data information is known as core memory. In the IBM PC80, what do the words 80 stand for? Advanced term is the CPU processing power is measured in MPS. A step-by-step procedure used to solve a problem is called a logarithm. A repository for data are usually covering specific topics data bank. ये भी पेपर्स में आया हुआ है। अरेंजिंग डाटा सो स्पेसिफिक ऑर्डर इज कॉल्ड सॉर्टिंग। ये भी पास पेपर्स में देखा जाए तो आया हुआ। द रेंज ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसीज अवेलेबल फॉर डाटा ट्रांसमिशन इज नोन एंड बैंडविड्थ। इसमें से कई क्वेश्चंस पास पेपर में रिपीट हुए हैं। The imitation of one device or system by another emulations. The ability of computer system to remain operational despite various failures is resilience. The WinZip program compress large file into smaller file. Authentication program run first after computer is booting and loading GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. My computer was introduced from Windows 95. Windows 95 में my computer introduce करवाया गया था। Windows 8 have no start button. ये भी पास पेपर्स में आया हुआ। माई कंप्यूटर वाला भी आया वाला ऊपर वाला। द लेटेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ विंडो इज विंडो 11। जो करंट विंडो चल रही है विंडो 11 है, उसका वर्जन है 21H2। वेलकम डिस्प्ले द नेम ऑफ एवरी कंप्यूटर यूजर ऑन दी कंप्यूटर। जब भी कंप्यूटर ऑन करते हैं वेलकम डिस्प्ले आता है तो यूजर का नेम सामने आ जाता है। सोर्स डिवाइस is a drive containing the file to be copied. Dispatch latency is the time taken by the dispatcher to stop one process and start another. Restart usually happen after you install new drivers. Restart of the computer is often called warm boot. Hibernate is a compressed mode between shutdown and sleep mode because it does not consume power and remember the current state of your desktop. Hibernate clear हो गया। Hibernate is shutting down the computer without closing the running application. कोई भी application रन हो रही होगी वो close नहीं होगी Hibernate में। Page stealing. Page stealing is taking page from other working sets. Booting means restarting your computer. CAD software is most likely used by engineers. The problem with fragmented files is that they slow your computer operations. Linux is the text browser. The operating system is a program or group of programs that manage the resources of the computer. The operating system used to operate the mobile phone is an embedded operating system. The operating feature that integrates the files created in different applications into web pages is a web integrations. When you cut or copy the text of picture, it's stored temporarily in a clipboard. जब हम किसी भी चीज़ को कॉपी एंड कट करते हैं पेस्ट करते हैं वो थोड़े वक्त के लिए टेम्परेली क्लिपबोर्ड में जाके सेव हो जाता है। ये यूनिकोड स्टैंडर्ड इज कैरेक्टर encoded system. Transmission media is communication channel that carry the information from one sender to receiver. Uploading the refer to the transmitting data from one computer to another through network. Downloading is the transmission of file from one computer to another, usually smaller computer system. Trojan horse program are legitimate program that allows unauthorized access. ट्रोजन हाउस अनऑथराइज्ड एक्सेस मतलब क्या, अनजान बंदे को एक्सेस प्रोवाइड कर देता है किसी भी सिस्टम में इन होने के लिए। 6 एनालाइजर इज यूज्ड फॉर एनालाइजिंग डिवाइस फॉर बिजी प्रॉब्लम। 6 एनालाइजर किसे कहते हैं? बिजी प्रॉब्लम्स को। डिस्पैचर एक्चुअली स्केड्यूल द टास्क इनटू द प्रोसेसर। Software that measures, monitors, analyze and control real world events is called real time software. Real time software की definition clear कर लें। Software that measure, monitor, analyze and control real world events is called real time software. Sequencing enable a part of data to be displayed. A public key encryption system allows only the correct receiver to decode the data. Daisy chain is a device for connecting a number of devices to a controller. Information in a memory that is no longer valid or wanted is known as garbage. The ability to combine name and addresses with a standard document is called mail merge. Information stored on disk has series of bump it on its shiny site. Shiny sites में जाकर डेटा डिस्क में स्टोर होता है। DVDs hold more information than CDs. They use smaller bumps and have two reflective layers. Recordable CDs do not have bumps. There are patches of colors on disk to change the reflected laser light. Registered are temporary storage area within the CPU. Shell is an operating environment. NOS refer to operating system for a network. Diodes are used in analog computer circuit as limiter. Whatever stand for an organic intelligence. Application of flip-flap or counters, shift register and transfer registers. Both are associated with computer. A group of characters that is termed as a single entity is called word. Clip art is a computer prepared art. Mark sensing is another term of OMR. Authorization to make multiple software copies is called site licensing. Antivirus is also known as vaccines. Free software is also known as public domain software. Cyberspace is called virtual world of. The common name for an encrypted circuit is a chip. Character that is reside and smaller above the baseline is known as superscript. The minimum number of rows and columns in MS Word and document are 1 and 1. MS Office, MS Word. Respond in repeated word by red wavy line. Cookies. Cookies is an internet information files. Collection of related record in a database is known as table. The output quality of per printer is measured by dot per inch. Combination of analog and digital computer is called hybrid computer. The network layer concerned with packets. A 4-byte IP address consists of network address and host address. 4-byte IP address add consists of a network address and host address. Network congestion occur when traffic overloading happen. Protocol used by a system. One protocol per layer is called protocol stack. Bluetooth is an example of personal area network. Communication channel which is shared by all the machines on the network is called broadcasting network. Concatenation is the best way to represent the attribute in large database. An error is also known as bug. Arithmetic logic unit is a part of computer used to calculating and comparing. The process by which computer manipulate data information into information is called processing. Error in a computer program are referred to as a bug. A compiler is used to translate a program written in computer software. In a programming we use the arrows key and the resolutions of monitor is made in dot per inch. Arithmetic operation involve addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions. File server store and manage file for network. Buffer is a difference in speed at which different units can handle data. Room in permanent memory built in your computer. Memory protection is method for controlling access to or use memory. An ad hoc query is not pre-scheduled query. An interrupt handler is a special numeric code that indicates the priority of a request. A spoiler is a program that coordinates the print jobs that is waiting to be printed. Input processing, output and storage are the main function of computer. The field that investigates the mechanism of intelligence and cognitive science. Operating system is a collection of software. Internal memory in the CPU is a set of registers. A light sensitive device that convert drawing, printed text, other images into digital form is scanner. Supercomputers are mainly useful for mathematically intensive in scientific applications. Internet Explorer is a type of browser. The process of copying data from a memory location is called reading. The process of putting data into a storage location is called writing. Information is the product of data processing. Motherboard holds room RAM chips. Buying and selling the product of electronic system like internet is called e-commerce. Debugging is the process of finding error in software code. सिस्टम में किसी भी किस्म की सॉफ्टवेयर में एरर डिटेक्ट होता है तो उसे डीबग करके दूर किया जाता है. CRT and LCD are two type of monitor. Terabyte is the largest unit of storage. Spam is the term used unsorted email. गैर मतलूबी जिसे हम कह सकते हैं. HTTP is considered as the backbone of WW. Loading operating system onto RAM is called booting. Seagate is the largest manufacturer of hard disk drives. A computer which is assigned only one task is called a dedicated computer. Firewalls are used to protect against unauthorized access. In a network, the computer that stores the files and processes the data is named as server. are called that because they can copy themselves and spreads. In processing check, MICR technique have been traditionally followed. MICR techniques followed करते हैं check में वो बैंक का zipping a file means processing compressing the message. Large file को small file में convert करना zipping कहलाता है. Hacking is known as unauthorized access into other system. IBM company nickname is Big Blue. International Business Machine is nickname is Big. अभी पूछा गया पास पेपर्स में द टर्म पेंटियम इज रिलेटेड टू माइक्रो प्रोसेसर. जीमेल एंड फ्री वेब बेस्ड ईमेल सर्विस ऑपरेटेड बाय गूगल. प्रोटोकॉल आर सेट ऑफ रूल्स इन द कंप्यूटर्स. चलें इसके साथ हम अपनी वीडियोस को एंड करते हैं और उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये नॉलेज काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होगा और आने वाले पेपर्स में.
गाइस चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा ताकि आने वाली वीडियो को बर वक्त आप देख सकें.